Bonjour everybody. Ever wonder, you kept on praying for something from ages but still it has taken away from you or it's not at all happening. Why is that? Is God is angry on you? Nah, darling, God isn't angry on you. Trust me, God loves you. You kept on praying for ages but still it hasn't happened to you. Why is that? Because it's not serving you any good in future. You might not see it today or tomorrow, but God knows it. God saw it. God heard the intentions, and God felt the intentions which you didn't hear because they did not tell you or confess you the intentions they really have with you. But God saw it, God felt it, and He told, not with my daughter, not with my son. And He just took away the people you thought they were dear to you or precious to you because they weren't. They were serving no good to you. And yes, trust me, God will not allow you to be or settle with peace in something which you are not meant to be. And no matter like console yourself, or you might console yourself that saying, yeah, I need to change myself or I need to suppress my emotions so these things could work out. But nah, why would you change yourself for staying with something, somewhere, someone, when all you have to be is yourself in whatever you want to be, isn't it? And God knows, trust me. You might think nothing is moving around, nothing is working, and there it is. When you feel like nothing is moving, the God is moving universe for you, but He is asking you to wait patiently so that you can see what He has created for you. And trust me, He has created the beautiful things, and mostest beautiful things. For example, you ask for God, but the rose has taken away from you. Don't be sad. He's gonna give you bouquet of roses, and you'll realize it not now or sooner, but later. Obviously, you'll realize it. Trust me, because I was cussing out 3 years back and 3 years today. I thank God every day because some taken away are blessings in disguise. Trust me, and God bless you all. Radhe Radhe.